Okay, so I wanted to do a before video. This is a before video in regards to this side of the yard, which we are planning to put in some stones over here and kind of just get that where it's, you know, kept a lot more better. But as you can see, but this is the before results here. I mean, we had it before, but we had these plastic dividers, like, or they're like edging, something to edge off from the grass. And I want to just, that is the before. So we're going to be working on that. This is V. I just wanted to give an update on just a little bit of work we did out here. Just kind of refreshing our walkway here. See, I had these before, and I think I'm going to have some use for them out further out in the backyard, further back. But we removed them and replaced them with these rocks, which I love these gray rocks. I just kind of put them kind of borderlining the area here. And we get it over here. And that's just a little update on the after results. I'm just trying to make this a little area where we can, you know, it helps with also, you know, when you go in the house and you're not bringing a lot of dirt in, when you just step outside, because we have pets, and, you know, that also helps. But, you know, and I think the rocks are like 60 cents or something. And those bag of pebbles, they're like maybe a little less than $3. And those stones, you know, I bought them a while ago. We had them a while ago, and I don't think they're even $1. They may be somewhere near $1. But everything is from Home Depot anyway. And these stones here, they're like cheap. They're not that expensive either. Those red stones. But I'll be getting back to you. I just kind of put them kind of borderlining the area here. And we get it over here. And that's just a little update on the after results. I'm just trying to make this a little area where we can, you know, it helps with also, you know, when you go in the house and you're not bringing a lot of dirt in, when you just step outside, because we have pets, and, you know, that also helps. But that's just an update on that. And I'm also going to show another area. But as you can see, after going ahead on and trimming back the banana trees, they have just grown exponentially. So it really does help when you trim back things. I think I'm going to glean a little bit more, so that because I really want to, hopefully before the summer ends, or before, you know, the end of the fall, we can have some bananas, hopefully, from this tree right here. Because this right here, this is one of those nan banana trees that are supposed to be cold hardy. Matter of fact, after the winter, it came just right back without any effort. So that's a good banana tree to get and put in your yard if you live in a climate where it's cold loving. I mean, it depends on the cold. So that's just one good idea. But this one over here, it came back as well. So, you know, you never can give up on your trees, because a lot of them, you know, are very resilient, and they just come right back, and they serve you for even more, year after year after year.